A man walks through the tall grass, eyes fixed on the barn's weathered exterior. The creak of large barn doors breaks the silence, revealing a dimly lit interior. Sunlight streams through wooden slats, illuminating the dust-filled air. Inside, a Rolls-Royce Silver Wraith sits forgotten, its surface cloaked in dust. The iconic Spirit of Ecstasy hood ornament barely gleams through the grime. He turns to his mother, standing nearby. Her words hang in the air, weaving a story that feels as old as the car itself. Drawn closer, he brushes the hood with his hand, revealing a streak of gleaming black paint beneath the dust. Through the windshield, a faint photograph tucked on the dashboard catches his eye. Outside, a wildflower sways gently, framed against the barn's chipped red paint, a subtle reminder of life moving on. The scene shifts to a cluttered garage, golden sunlight streaming through the windows. The Rolls-Royce now stands at the center of attention, surrounded by scattered tools and parts. In a mechanic's jumpsuit, the man carefully removes a panel, uncovering a hidden compartment. Inside are black and white photos, yellowed letters tied with a ribbon, and a dusty saxophone. Among the treasures, he finds a photo of his mother and father, smiling beside the car. Bathed in sunlight, the garage feels alive with nostalgia. The Rolls-Royce is no longer just a car. It's a vessel of memories, waiting to be restored.